front of me is Redmi Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, if you don't have an app you wish to apply as your new default one, go into Play Store and download it. When you're ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down to select Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Other Settings in this tiny pop-up. Finally, hit the default apps here and tap on any section you wish to manage, in my case browser. Then click on an app you wish to apply, and when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. If you want to restore default apps, click on Restart to Defaults at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!